Hello, kamusta po kayong lahat ng aking mga minamahal na star viewers? So, ang reading natin ngayon is meron kayong special love message from your person. Whoever it could be your husband, your partner, or a future lover. We have here a special message for you. Okay? So, alamin natin kung ano ba yung dapat mong malaman galing sa person mo. You could be manifesting about this person, kapatid. So, kunin nyo lang kung saan ka nakaka-resonate. Again, this is a general reading. Alright. If ever na nakita nyo itong video sa reels ninyo or notification, meaning baka kayo ay may special message or isa kayo sa makakatanggap nito or meant for you to find this video or na marinig ito or mapanood itong video ito about the special message from your lover or from your special lover or special someone. Okay? So, kunin mo natin yung energy from this person. Itong love message para sa'yo. It's all about love, 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 love. This could be from your crush. Alright. Sino itong ka-deal mo? Sino itong person ng special loved one mo or special lover? Sino ito? Who is this special person ng ating viewers? Spirit guide angels. Tell me about this person, please. Ng ating mga minamahal na star viewers. Special lover. Sino ito? Alam mo yung nakukuha kong energy na ating nahihiya siya. Your person, nahihiya siya na magpapakilala sa'yo or makilala mo siya. Meron kang admirer or this person could be like, siguro yung personality niya na nahihiya talaga or mahihiyain. Yeah. Or siya siguro dito person na ayaw niya na malaman ng iba yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Siguro itong taong ito hindi lang talaga siya expressive. Yeah. Mature man, sorry. Inisip yung future. Mature man. So, I'm also getting like this could be a future person. Yes. I'm also getting like this person that you are dealing right now or this special love message that you meant for you na marinig or malaman. This could be a future person, yung iba sa inyo dito. Hindi mo pa siya nakilala, but soon you will meant to meet this person. It could be online or abroad. Yes, there's like a distance between the two of you. Yung iba naman sa inyo, siguro at this moment, may distance sa inyo ng person mo. You could be dealing with a mature man or medyo may edad na or matured woman. It doesn't have to be gender kasi mixed energy tayo dito. So, kunin nyo lang po kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate. And, yeah. Okay. You are dealing with matured person. What else, Spirit? Can you tell me more about their special lover? This could be your husband, your or your spouse, partner. I'm also hearing like friendship. Yes, would say friendship muna at this moment, but itong taong ito ay may tinatagong lihim or lihim na pagtingin sa iyo. You are so special from this person. And I'm also getting, guys, alam niyo na wala yung music. Anyway, I'm also getting like you are dealing with a false person. Someone is faking. It could be like someone you know, katrabaho, friendship, classmate, okay, or siguro kaibigan. Parehas lang namang friendship at kaibigan. Or kapitbahay. What I mean is kapitbahay. Again, this person is not very expressive. Meron itong may tinatagong lihim. Nasabi ko na kanina, and this is like the bottom of the deck, may tinatagong lihim ang taong ito. And I'm getting like, this reading, kaya nakuha natin yung energy ng admirer mo or this person's like hidden love. May tinatago siyang lihim na pag-ibig sa'yo. It's like his soul, in a soul level, itong taong ito ay they are sending their messages through this reading. Yeah. Wow. Napaka-romantic. This person is very romantic. I'm getting like very romantic energy from this person. Yeah. Yeah. And same to you. Meron na kong vice versa. Siguro crush mo rin itong taong ito. Parang parehas kayong dalawa. Yeah, you like each other. Yun nga lang, siguro kaibigan lang, katrabaho lang, or nahiya ka. Like again, nasabi ko na kanina, di ba, may nahiya or mahiyain yung energy. Okay, so this person could be, yeah, parehas kasi kayo eh. Your person is not showing, hindi niya pinapakita yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo. And same to you, hindi mo rin pinapakita yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya. Nahihiya ka rin, and same as your person, nahihiya rin siya. And both, parehas kayo ng energy na keep yourself distance. May distance dito. Yeah. Parang hanggang tingin na lang siya sa'yo. So, wow. Yung feeling na energy niya is, yung higher self niya is sending this love message towards you, kapatid. Kasi hindi niya ma-express itong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Yeah. Merong number 8 or number 5. Yeah. Okay. Siguro, you will be meeting this person on the month of August. Yes. Or 5 days from now, 5 months from now. Or 8 months, 8 days, or the 8th of June. Anong petsa na ba ngayon? Anyway, or July 8, something like that, or on August, or on the 5th, 5 days, 5 weeks from now, or maybe 5 years from now. That's so long. But again, ang energy na kukuha natin is mix. Meron itong future self ng future spouse mo. Yung iba dito, hindi mo pa nakilala, but within siguro 5 years, hindi naman siguro 8 years, masyado nang matagal ito. I would say 5 years from 5 years from now, or kung ikaw ay single, well, hindi pa natin alam yung magiging mangyari sa future natin. Marami pang mangyayari. So, there's like an advanced message for you from your future partner, future spouse, a future lover. Yeah. Yeah. Sa ngayon siguro, no, may energy dito na, sa ngayon siguro, lalong-lalo ikaw ay bata pa, siguro kung ikaw ay nag-aaral, focus ka muna sa career mo, and siguro within 8 years, siguro talaga matagal, no? Napaka-specific na energy dito. Siguro ito ay kaklase mo or schoolmate, yung iba sa inyo dito. And maybe within 8 years, you will meet this person again at the right time. And parang throwback. Siguro sa ngayon, hindi mo pa alam, but then in 8 years, magpapakilala siya as a real person, a real man. Yung iba dito sa inyo. Yung marami na siyang naipon. This person is really workaholic o talagang siya sa pag-aaral niya. Focus siya sa kanyang ginagawa. Ang dami niyang, this person loves to learn. Yeah. I'm getting the energy like boss energy. This could be your boss, yung iba sa inyo dito, or a teacher. Maybe this person wants to be a teacher or a professor in the future, or maybe currently this person could be a teacher or a professor. And I'm getting like energy that a boss energy. Siguro crush mo rin siya, hindi mo lang masabi, but this person also likes you. Yeah. Yeah. Talagang ang galing-galing ng niya ng magtago. Ang galing magtago ng person mo na ng feelings. Yeah, hindi siya basta-basta nagpapakita ng nararamdaman niya. This person is very careful of how they show their feelings or how they handle their feelings towards you. Yeah. And again, you guys are truly special from your person, from this person. Admirer, crush, your spouse, your lover. There's a distance. Siguro, again, nasabi ko na kanina, may distance kayo ng person mo. Who else? Tell me more about their person, Spirit Angels. Pasensya na sa mga matagal na ha, or like yung nasabi ko na kanina, future spouse, future partner. Again, kung sa ngayon, crush ka lang niya, may nililihim siyang feeling sa iyo, but then again, in the future, gusto kanya, may pagpaplano kasi itong person ito. Once na everything is clear, settled na siya, ready na siya, then your person is going to reveal their feelings toward you. Ipapakita niya na yung nararamdaman niya sa'yo or express their true feelings towards you at the right time. Sa ngayon, para ditong natatago-tago muna siya or tinatago na muna niya yung nararamdaman niya sa iyo. Kaya ingat muna siya. Siguro, you might be currently in a relationship. Yes, yung iba sa inyo dito. Or kaya meron ditong ingat. Mag-iingat muna siya sa nararamdaman niya sa iyo or to express. Hindi niya agad-agad or hindi niya basta-basta na ipapakita sa madla yung nararamdaman niya sa iyo because there's like I'm getting like forbidden love. Okay, yung iba sa inyo dito. Mayroon ditong bawal na pag-ibig. Yes. Kaya siguro meron din dito sa inyo dito na both of you, dalawa kayo na hindi pwede na express yung nararamdaman mo sa kanya kahit crush mo lang siya. Maybe you are also committed. Pareha siguro kayong committed sa iba. And that's why crush mo siya, crush ka rin niya. Kaya lang hindi niyo pwedeng ipakita yung nararamdaman niyo bawat isa kasi committed na kayo. This is very specific. Yung iba lang ha. Okay, again, meron din ditong kahit na may asawa ka na and kahit na may asawa ka, meron pa rin nag-a-admire sa iyo. Kahit na may partner ka na, committed ka na, meron pa rin nag-a-admire sa iyo. Again, nasa iyo 'yan kung if you wanted to take their feelings or accept them of kung sino man itong mga taong ito. Yeah. But again, mag-ingat-ingat guys. Mag-ingat-ingat kasi meron ditong kahit na in-express nila yung nararamdaman sa iyo, kahit na sinasabi lang mahal na mahal ka nila, I'm also getting like mag-ingat-ingat sa mga sweet mouth from these people. Yeah. Kasi may iba din ditong magaling magtago. You know na you know what I mean? Na magaling lang siyang napaka-romantiko, ganyan, and then later on, meron pala siyang iba. So again, mag-ingat-ingat sa mga ganong klaseng tao ha. Kasi meron din ditong sweet talk, magaling talagang makipag salamuha sa iyo, napaka-friendship, ano ba yung tawag to? Sa friendship, siguro may friendship na nabubuo, but again, this person is not showing you who they truly are, kung sino talaga itong taong ito, kung ano talaga ang kailangan nila sa iyo or ano talaga ang gusto nila sa iyo. Yeah. And meron din naman sa inyo, kilala mo kung sinong itong sinasabi ko o binabanggit ko. Yeah. So again, mag-ingat-ingat. Hindi lahat na in-express lang nila yung nararamdaman sa iyo, one man woman lang siya or one woman man lang siya. Yeah, kasi mayroon ditong isa or yung iba sa inyo dito na napaka malihim. You might be dealing with the person na napaka malihim. Yung hindi siya expressive or hindi niya talaga or marami ka pang hindi nalalaman tungkol sa taong ito. So mag-ingat-ingat. Yeah. And yung iba sa inyo dito, this could be your childhood person. Yeah. Or kapitbahay. Yeah, this person is like struggling. This person could have a kid. Siguro may anak na siya. Or may anak na lalaki. Or this person could be like mahirap. Sabihin natin mahirap. Or nasa poverty. Yeah. Okay. And again, this person is really like meron ditong parang I'm getting the energy napaka-choosy. You know, like yung energy mo kapatid na ayoko sa mahirap, ayoko yung naghihirap kasi deserve ko naman na mapunta sa tamang tao, yung may pera, yung kaya akong buhayin. Guys, choice nyo yan. Again, this is a love message for a person or someone na truly love you, that truly treated you as a special someone. Okay? Everybody are allowed to love anyone here in this lifetime, in this world. So, may freedom tayo no kung sino yung kaya or ang gusto nating mahalin or magustuhan. Okay? So, nasa sa iyo pa rin yan. Choice mo yan kapatid kung if you want to take that person's love, if you want to accept them. Yeah. So again, this is a message, this reading is about someone special love message for you. Yeah. Yeah. Meron tong kanta, kung gusto niyo marinig yung kanta na medyo luma na, during 90s ito, yung parang kay kanina sino ba yun? Julina Magdangal? Ano ba yan? Anyway, so pakinggan nyo itong kanta na meron akong tinatagong lihim. Paano ba yung kantahin? Lihim na pagtingin na kanta. Parang ganun. So, yeah, pakinggan nyo yan kung may time kayo mga kapatid. Baka makaka-resonate kayo nito. So, sino pa? Alamin pa natin. Or Spirit Guardian Angels, sino itong tao or the person na secret admirer, sabi natin secret admirer or yung lover ng ating person, ng viewers, ng ating mga viewers dito. Ano ba yan? Ang gulo Sino itong person ng viewers natin? Special love message. Okay? Yeah. Sino itong person nila? Spirit Angels. So again guys, hindi po ito private reading. Kunin nyo lang po kung saan kinakakaresonate ha. Alright. A manager. So again, meron tayong boss energy. You could be dealing with a person na maganda yung trabaho niya or larangan sa buhay, sa finances, stable lifestyle, stable finances niya, manager, boss. Meron itong chismoso. Again, this person could wanted to know your whereabout. Maybe itong taong ito, yung kadilmos ngayon, may pagka-chismoso or chismosa. Yes, this person is really nosy. Gusto niyang malaman kung sino yung mo ngayon, sino yung lover mo ngayon, or gusto niya malaman yung love life mo. Yes, even if this person likes you. Yeah. Okay. Schoolmate. So again, nasabi ko na kanina, di ba? Yes, confirm yan. This person could be your schoolmate. Sa ngayon, schoolmate mo siya. Nakikita mo siya sa school. And this person likes you. Kaya lang, of course, this person is focused. Focused talaga siya sa pag-aaral niya. And then one day, magbabalik itong taong ito at the right time pagka stable na yung finances niya, yung trabaho niya. Pag na-achieve niya na yung pangarap niya sa buhay. Okay? Newscaster. Yes. Again, ikaw din siguro itong newscaster or nakikita ka ng tao ito through social media or sa TV. Yes, inaabangan ka ng taong ito. Nurse, your person could be a nurse. Water sign, you could be dealing with a water sign. Okay. Mayaman, again, this person is mayaman. Maganda status niya sa buhay. Mas bata pa sa'yo. Social media, again, nasabi ko na yung social media. Yes, this person is watching you, stalking you on social media. Hair salon, you could be dealing with a person na sa hair salon o siguro ikaw itong nagtatrabaho sa hair salon. Mahabang buhok. Again, itong taong siguro ito is mahabang buhok or siguro if you are working sa hair salon, kapatid, siguro itong taong ito parang naging suki mo na because this person wanted to see you. Meron itong, this person, pupunta siya sa hair salon para magpagupit, o magpaayos ng buhok, para makita ka, para baka mo rin siya asuki. Capricorn, you could be dealing with a Capricorn, water sign, Aquarius, okay, and Scorpio, letter N, siguro sa pangalan niya or initial niya may N, matangkad. Yes, itong taong ito is matangkad. So, alamin natin yung special message ng person mo. Okay. Alright, special message please. The person on their mind or their secret admirer. Kasi meron dito most likely secret admirer. Karamihan dito secret admirer. Yung iba naman in a relationship na or you are dealing with this person already. I feel you leaving me behind. Oh. This could be your ex. Nakikita ka niya sa social media, nakikita ka niya masaya, you could be in a relationship already, and nakikita niya, hirap na hirap siya. I'm getting like, nahihirapan siya makapag-move on, or nahihirapan siya makita ka na may iba na, yung iba dito sa inyo. Yan. Akala niya, nararamdaman niya, na napaka-attractive mo kasi, alam niya na marami kang admirers, or siguro may pamilya ka na, this could be your ex, past lover, childhood lover, siguro may anak ka sa person na ito, and this person feels na nakapag-move on ka na, and it hurts him. Masakit sa kanya. I remember every detail of that day. So, inaalala pa rin niya yung nakaraan. Nakaraan, muling ibalik ang nakaraan. Reminiscing, your person still reminiscing from the past. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Wow, we will be together again. So again, your person is planning, magpaplano yung person mo na one day, magiging kayo. Magkakasama din kayo one day. On the bottom, I look for you everywhere. So hinahanap ka ng person mo kahit saan or minsan pagka may nakita siyang ka-look-alike mo, naalala ka niya. Yes. What else pa? Alright, what else more? Special message, please. Okay. Avoid the addiction. So again, maybe your person right now is trying, sinubukan niyang maging maiwasan yung obsession niya sa iyo. O siguro your person is dealing with obsession sa I'm kind of like a workaholic. Yes. Yeah. Parang meron ditong nakukuha ang energy na mas fino-focus niya sarili niya sa trabaho. Kasi pagka nagkaroon siya ng space time or walang pasok or day off, naiisip ka lang niya or naalala ka niya. So, para sa kanya, your person rather na ma-focus yung sarili niya or mabaling yung sarili niya sa ibang gawain or nagbibisi-bisihan siya para hindi kanya maalala or maisip. Yeah, and kasi pag once na ma-start kanya niyang maalala or maisip, ayan, buong araw ka na niyang nasa isip. Parang ganun. Nagiging obsessed na siya sa kakaisip. And I'm also getting like your person is avoiding to drink alcohol or at this moment your person is working. Yeah, may changes. Your person is avoiding this addiction of siguro workaholic or alcoholic. Yes. Yeah. Siguro ito din ang mga katangian niya na binabago ng person mo. Because maybe before, during na naging kayo, hindi kasi maganda sa relasyon din yung I'm hearing like sinungaling. Siguro may nagsisinungaling yung person mo or siguro mahilig magsinungaling. And that your person is like, siguro I'm getting like nagsisisi naman siya dahil hindi niya na-express sa'yo yung totoong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Hindi siya naging totoo. That's also them getting the energy. Hindi siya naging totoo and your person, he or she, they're trying their best to change that personality. Yeah, na hindi siya para mas magiging expressive siya one day. Yeah. And your person is working on that. And I'm also getting like again, your person is working on themselves to change the pattern na alcoholic or siguro nag-addict ito, hindi natin alam. Again, kayo lang nakakaalam, kunin nyo lang kung saan kayo nakaka-resonate, whatever na obsession person mo or na-addict siya, your person's working on that to fix their problem. Yeah. I'm also getting like matigas ang ulo. You might be dealing with a person na matigas ang ulo. Hindi nakikinig or hindi na, siguro, your person is not a kind of type of person to take someone's advice right away. Kaya minsan, isa siguro ito sa pinagtatalunan ninyo na matigas ang ulo, yung sinasabihan mo na, hindi pa rin niya pinapakinggan. And that's also the thing that, the energy that I'm getting, the personality of the person. Yung iba sa inyo dito. What else, Spirit Guide Angels? Special message, please. You are so damn hot, kapatid. Yes. I'm getting like laway na laway ang admirer mo sa iyo or this person. Ito. My love for you is not deep enough. So, okay. And that's why your person must be, figure it out. Okay? Yeah, figure it out kung, ano ba itong feelings na to para sa iyo. Yeah. Meron siya mga na-realize dito. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo dito. Yung iba naman na kahit na hindi pa deep, hindi pa talaga yung malalim yung nararamdaman niya, kaya pa niya na makontrol ang sarili niya. Yeah. I treasure all our memories. So, still thinking about the past. What else? It's all fake. So again, nasabi ko na kanina, it's all fake or someone is not meron ditong energy na may na-realize yung person mo dito na hindi ka naging totoo or something about sa pagsamahan or samahan ninyo na hindi naging totoo. Yeah. So, vice versa, this could be your energy or your person's energy. Yeah, meron kasi ditong may na-realize niya or na-realize niya na it's all fake. Yeah, siguro this could be your past person, your ex, na hindi ka naging totoo. Siguro yung time na naging kayo, na-realize niya na it's not real. Yung iba dito sa inyo. And yung iba naman, you might be dealing with a person na, again, sabi ko na, hindi niya pinapakita yung totoong nararamdaman niya sa'yo. Your person is not showing, baliktad eh. I'm getting like baliktad. Parang, meron ako nakukuha energy na, pagka nagkita kayong dalawa or magkasama, would say, hindi niya pinapakita yung totoong nararamdaman niya sa'yo or siguro hindi pa siya nagtapat. Pinapakita niya na your person doesn't care about you. Pinapakita niya na or siguro hindi siya nagre-respond sa mga message mo or sa mga text message ninyo, but again, it's all fake. Yes. Your person, yung iba sa inyo, your person still don't know how kung saan or kung gaano kalalim yung nararamdaman niya sa iyo. Meron kasi dito naguguluhan pa siya on how to handle their feelings towards you. Yeah. Meron dito kasi masking. Hindi naging totoo sa nararamdaman sa iyo. Iba yung pinapakita niya. Imbis na maging sweet siya sa iyo, hindi lang talaga siya magaling siguro mag-express ng nararamdaman niya. I would say may torpe. Yeah. You are dealing with a person na napaka-torpe. What else? Supporting you is my best weapon by keeping you with me. Wow. So you are dealing with a person. This could be your a spouse, yeah, or a friendship, yeah, friendship, spouse, or relationship. Yeah, your person is like keeping you around. Yeah, alam nila na for you to stay with them para mag-long last itong relasyon ninyo or para mas magiging matatag yung relasyon ninyo. They know how to take good care of you. Naalagaan kayo. They want to show you na napaka-supportive nila para sa iyo. And for that, alam nila na mag-stay ka sa kanila. Yeah. The more na naging suportado ka or sinusuportahan ka nila, alam nila na mag-stick ka sa kanila or andyan ka sa kanila. Hindi mo sila iiwan o hindi mo siya iiwan. So, meron itong, I'm only attracted to you sexually. So, again, guys, mag-ingat-ingat. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, mag-ingat-ingat. This person is not showing you their true personality. Meron ditong parang mapaglaro. Yeah. So, mag-ingat-ingat. It's not because sweetness overload ang pinapakita niya sa'yo. Again, this person just wanted to use you. Gagamitin ka lang niya sexually. Or again, mag-ingat-ingat sa mga ganong klaseng tao, ano? Mararamdaman mo yan or follow your intuition. Lalong-lalo na nakakaramdam ka na ng red flag, again, mag-ingat-ingat kayo. Kasi itong taong ito, hindi siya mag-stick around o hindi siya mag-long last sa'yo. Pag once na nakuha niyo na yung gusto niya sa'yo, then, iiwan ka na lang sa ere. So again, mag-ingat-ingat. But again, this person is still attracted to you, with your looks, sa kagandahan mo, sa kaseksihan mo. Yes. And again, mag-ingat-ingat. Baka you might be dealing with this person na nangungulikta. Yes. Nangungulikta ng mga, parang nangungulikta na ng mga treasures, hidden treasures. So, ingat-ingat guys. What else? And again, you guys are dealing with someone na ayaw talaga niya magpapakilala. Hindi mo pa, you know this person, pero ayaw niya talaga magpapakilala. Ayaw niya ipakita yung nararamdaman sa iyo. Tinatago-tago talaga niya yung nararamdaman. Tingnan mo. Okay? Hindi niya talaga pinapakita yung mukha niya o yung itsura niya. It doesn't have to be masculine or feminine. Again, you are dealing with a person na this person sees you napaka-special mo. Yeah, you are truly special from this person. And this is like most likely hanggang tingin na lang siya sa iyo. Mahiyain siya. Napaka-mahiyain ng person na ito. What else? Tell me more about this Hermit head. Wow, the lover. Siguro may promise. I'm getting like this person is making this promise, or this could be your husband or your spouse. Okay? Again, if you are in a relationship already, kapatid, you two have already made this promise together. So mga promise na kayo, vows, married na siguro kayo, or kung hindi pa, maybe you might be dealing with a person na you two are already made a promise together na hindi kayo magkakahiwalay, and this person still holding on to that promise. Especially yung iba sa inyo is ex, okay? Even na ex mo na siya, yung person mo still thinking about that moment, yung mga pangako nyo sa isa't isa, yung mga nakaraan. And yeah, hanggang may mga memories pa rin siya sa mga nakaraan, that promise. Yeah. Alright, Spirit, can you just tell me more about hold on. Final message na tayo. Hold on. Channeled message muna. Channeled message for from their special lover. Channeled message, please, Spirit Guardians. Alright, let's get this. Alright. Maybe you guys are dealing with a third party. Yeah. Para mas malaman natin kung sino tong person ninyo, no? Your special lover. Again, you guys are truly special for this person. Nakikita kanya online. Nakita ng person mo na you guys are very successful. Okay? Yes. Two of Cups again. The lovers, Two of Cups. You might be dealing with your soulmate. Okay. Yeah. Again, there could be like a friendship. May friendship involved dito. Or third party. Yes, you guys are dealing with meron ditong pangako na napapako na hindi nangyayari. Again, you could be dealing with a ex-lover. Yes. And I'm also getting like I'm hearing like kapitbahay, again, schoolmate. And could be a work sa trabaho. And sa social media, this person is, yung hindi mo alam na may gusto siya sa'yo. Most likely talaga, hindi mo alam na may gusto siya sa'yo. And this person sees you very special. Yeah. Yeah, this person is daydreaming na sana ikaw maging asawa niya, maging partner niya. And again, your person is like, alam mo, bago ka maging akin, focus muna ako sa finances ko. Focus muna ako sa future ko. Para pagka okay na, yung stable na ako, or yung career ko, yung pag okay na yung finances ko, then babalikan kita. Meron itong babalikan kita. Sa ngayon, I want myself, I have to work on myself, work on my personality, yeah. Work on more sa trabaho, pag-ipon, and meron ditong, hindi ko pa rin nakakalimutan yung pangako ko sa'yo. Yeah. And if this is your person, I mean your husband or your wife or partner, again, your person still looking forward for that promise. Yes. Promise na magtatrabaho ko ng maayos, kikita ko ng marami, magpapakasal din tayo, na matutuloy din yung kasal natin, mabubuo din pamilya natin, ibibigay ko sa iyo yung lahat-lahat na gustong bilhin. I want to treat you better. Meron itong, I want to treat you better. Yes. Yes, this person is really attracted to you. Yeah. This person keep checking you on social media. Okay. Again, your person is really happy to see you happy. Your person is happy to see you successful. Yeah. Your person wanted to support you, kapatid. Ang dami niyang mga pangarap para sa iyo. Your person is looking forward na sana ay maging akin ka, na sana ay matupad yung mga pangako natin, na sana magkaroon tayo ng chance na mag-usap, na sana one day parehas tayo ay magkikita tayong muli, pareho tayong available, na sana may chance pa tayo. Yeah. Wow, that's a very deep message for you here. A special message from your lover. Okay, so final message from your special lover. Final message, Spirit Angels. Okay, embrace. Through each other, you find the missing pieces. So again, you might be dealing with your soulmate, mga kapatid. So embrace the differences. Yes, hindi lahat perfecto. So, it's up to you how to deal this person. Yes, kasi lahat tayo may mga iba-iba tayong mga personality. And embrace the differences. Yes. Yeah. Okay, what else, Spirit Guide Angels? Okay, one day, yung iba dito, future partner. One day, pag makilala mo itong person na ito in the future, 8 months from now, 5 months from now, 8 years, 5 years, napakamatagal na. But again, hindi pa natin alam yung future natin. But again, once na makilala mo itong future soulmate mo, you will find each other a missing piece. Yes. Most likely talaga is you are dealing with your soulmate. Yung iba dito, kasado na. Ito na yung current partner mo. Yung iba naman, future partner pa. So, itong person na ito, pagka magbabalik ito or magkita kayo ng person na ito, you will find a missing piece. Mararamdaman mo yan na pag makilala mo itong taong ito, this person will fulfill you. Yung parang magiging buo, yung feeling na buo ka na. So, this is the person that you are waiting for. And yeah, pagka sa tamang panahon na parehas kayong available, then you two are meant to meet each other again at the right time. What else? Okay. When you pass from this world, you take nothing with you but your soul and the memories you have shared with those you love. So again, sa mga kadil nyo dito na with your partner, currently married or kadate nyo itong person ninyo, hindi pa kayo kasado, again, enjoy the moment together. Kasi pagka pumanaw na tayo, memories lang ang dala-dala natin. Lahat ng mga material na bagay, hindi natin madala or ma-bit-bit sa in a different world or sa heaven, sinasabi natin, or masasabi natin heaven. So, enjoy the love life. Enjoy expressing your true feelings with your partner. Yeah. So again, soulmate, confirm you are dealing with your soulmate. Your soulmate is already with you in spirit. Believe this and they will manifest physically. So again, most likely again, you are dealing with your soulmate. Yung iba naman, future soulmate ninyo, you will be meeting this person. So manifest mo lang kapatid, kung ikaw ay currently single, i-manifest mo itong person na ito because your person, yung spirit nila, yung current spirit nila, okay? They are sending you their higher self message. Their soul is sending you their message, their feelings through this reading. You might not meet them yet, but again, in the future, pag ma-manifest mo na siya, or if you're currently available, i-manifest mo lang siya, and then one day, you will meet this person at the right time. Yeah. Believe in yourself. Believe in your soulmate. Believe that you still have your soulmate out there. Yeah. Your person is still out there. You just have to manifest your person. I-manifest mo siya na mag-cross ang landas ninyo, and then one day, pag paano malaman kung siya ba yung soulmate mo? Again, you will feel that starstruck. I'm getting starstruck. Yung feeling na magugulat ka na lang yung heartbeat mo. I'm hearing like, yung feeling na ma-overwhelmed ka sa nararamdaman mo, na napakagwapo nito, napakamayaman nito, or napaka-charismatic nitong tao ito, napaka-charming, napakaganda, sexy. Again, if it's meant to be, meant to be. Yes. Your soulmate, you and your soulmate will find each other at the right time. So, continue on manifesting your person. Beware of what you are projecting, for the qualities you admire in one another are qualities you both possess equally so. The qualities you don't like are also your own reflections. So again, mag-ingat-ingat sa mga pinapakita mong personality, So kung pinapakita mong kamalitahan or pagiging maldito, yan din ang balik sa'yo. Yun din ang makilala mo. So kung gusto mo ng sweet overload sa person or sa person mo, then ipakita mong sweet ka. Kasi kung ano yung pinapakita mo, yun din ang balik sa'yo. So parang karma din, no? Kung gusto mo ng good karma sa relationship, then dapat maganda din ang ibibigay mong pakikitungo sa person mo. Yes. So it's like you are mirroring each other with your person or with your soulmate. Deep in your heart, you already know the answer. do what feels right. So, alam mo na kung ano ang sagot, or alam mo na kung sino itong taong ito, kasi siguro yung iba sa inyo tinatanong, sino kaya itong special lover ko? Again, follow your intuition, follow your gut feeling. Alam mo kung sino ito. Yung iba naman sa inyo, you will meet your person at the right time. This is like a future message from your future soulmate. Yung iba sa inyo dito. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Hanggang dito na lang mga kapatid. I love you guys and I hope to see you guys in my next reading. I love you. Bye!